Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to solve the problem of your business manager or advertising account being restricted. As you can see, this business manager has been restricted. I have appealed for it and it's within 5 minutes. I want to show you that the account has been reinstated. So when I refresh here, just check it. You see that the account has been reinstated. Then when you also come, this was the business support home. When you also refresh here, it has been reinstated. So let me now show you exactly how I did it. First of all, you log into your Facebook account, as you can see, by going to facebook.com. Then you will come on the left-hand side, click on the ad manager. It will open you here. Then when you come to the ad manager, you come and then click on all tools and then go to business support home. When you click on the business support home, it will bring you here. And that is why I've seen I've got to the business the account overview or the business support home to see all the restrictions I have. And as you can see, the business manager is restricted. So what I am going to do now is to make an appeal. So you click on request review. They will ask you to get started. So you click on get started. But before you make the appeal, let me let you know you need to make certain changes. You need to first of all come to your Facebook profile and make sure that your Facebook name tallies with the one on your ID card. So you come and then click on settings and privacy, go to settings. And then when you go to settings, then you scroll down and go to personal details. From personal details, you go to contact info. Okay, you go to name first, profiles, and then go to the name. So check and make sure that the name, first and last name, if it is not the same, then you can edit it here and then change it to the correct one. Then from there, you go to personal details and then go to birth date. Make sure the birth date tallies with the one on the ID card. When all that is said and done, then you come back to the account quality and then you click on continue. I was in the process of confirming the identity. So you click here, and then the ID card you can use to confirm your identity are national ID card, your passport, your driving license, or your voter ID. So I'm clicking on verify, and I'll click on continue. Then here, they will ask for the phone number. So you come here and select your country. So I'm going to select my country. Okay, so I select my country. The code and click on continue. Then it will ask you to also submit your ID card. So you upload your ID card, then make sure the ID is clear and your face is showing with your details. Before I forget, make sure that you also check your gender. So when you go to your Facebook profile and then you click on your profile picture at the left, it will go to, you see post about. So you come to about section and then come and check under contact and basic info. You see your gender, make sure the gender is also right. So when all that is okay, then you come back and continue. You click on submit. So you click on continue to submit it. It will tell you that you hear back from us within 48 hours. So you have to just wait. Normally, they will say 48 hours, but within 5 minutes, it will be reinstated.